Hello traders and welcome to Forex Daily Open. It is great to be with you. It is May 7th, 2014 on a Wednesday, and what a privilege it is to be with you. I am coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, and it is a bright and sunny day coming to you from the live beaches. Alright traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William K. Gilday. I will be your moderator, and yes, I am Bill, as you can see on the bottom of the chart. And traders, yes, that is me. Alright, so the situation today is I am running late, and I'm running late because I had some technical issues with internet. However, we are back up and running, and we will get this out hopefully within 30 minutes of the London Open. Alright traders, I'm a Forex trader from 2006, went professional in 2008 when I went full-time, when I moved to the great country of Thailand, and I am still here. Alrighty. So that's just a little bit about myself. I do trade live in the markets every day. I am a scalper and I am a intraday trader. I like to be in my trades about no longer than 3 hours. All right, let's get to the news. But before we do that, let's go over and talk about our risk disclaimer. Traders, Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you are trading your mortgage, you might want to sit back and think about that and maybe need to go to a demo account until you are comfortable with trading the live markets and your financial situation is secure. All right, traders, let's talk about our complimentary live trading room. Yes, traders, we have a live trading room brought to you every trading day, complimentary for you. Never trade alone. Trading alone is really a bummer. Make trading enjoyable every day, so please come and join us. You can go to tradingwithbill.com and get access to my live trading room. The instructions are on the front page of the website. Traders, we'll see you there. All right, let's move over to the news calendar. Traders, May 7th, 2014, this is today's news calendar. The New Zealand today in the Asia session had unemployment change at 0.9 versus 0.6. That was a negative number, traders, and a high impact data release. Also high impact data release was the Aussie, had retail sales month on month 0.1 versus 0.4, another negative release. The Aussie did react to that, spiked up about 20 pips. Spiked down about 20 pips and then came directly back up to where price was and is still in that area. In the U.S. session today, we have U.S. Fed Chairwoman Yellen speaking, and I'm sure most people will be listening to that shortly to see what the FOMC has in store for us this month. All right, traders. So let us go to the charts. We're going to do two currency pairs today. And we're going to talk about correlation. I want you to see the correlation with these two currency pairs. And the first one we're going to do is the dollar Swissy, USD CHF. And here is the daily chart, just a small little chart, but it gives us the last 8 days of trading. And you can see it is in a bearish trend. We're looking for down trades. We're looking for shorts. And that is my bias on the dollar Swiss. And now let's get over to another chart and let's take a look at the 1 hour chart, traders. All right, this is the 1 hour chart. Traders, do you remember what those blue lines with shadows on them are? Okay, yes, they are deviation levels. And later in the week, we will talk about deviation levels, and you will have a good understanding of them. It's not a big deal, but they're great to have on your charts, and I will explain them in detail in another video. However, let's take a look at this USD CHF 1 hour chart. We do have a trade setup. You can see where price has absolutely come down. It is in a bearish trend. You can see that by my turquoise arrow to the downside at the high of the day. And you can also see where I have a box shadowed in blue, and those are Fibonacci numbers in that box. We are on a pullback to a Fibonacci number, and we want to take this to the downside. You can see where I have a take profit, and that is at the 161.8 Fibonacci level, and that looks really nice. Risk to reward is about 2 to 1, so this looks like a really nice trade on the hourly chart, just waiting for price to give us the pullback, and we have a nice trade. All right, traders, if you trade the 15-minute chart, let's take a look at this trade plan. Okay, this is the dollar Swiss on a 15-minute chart. Again, same situation. We're in a bearish trend, and we are waiting for a pullback. Again, I have the shadowed box showing us our fib levels. We want to come up to those fib levels and take it down. Traders, if you notice, I have A, B, C, and D for take profit. So we came to B, and now we're doing the retrace. We want to come to C. Why does C have a question mark next to it? It has a question mark next to it, trader, because we don't know what fib it's going to give us a bearish candlestick formation, and we can take that to the downside. So we do not have a definite price number to give you to short it. It needs to do its job and give us that entry. You can see that D is the take profit area, and remember that A is where our stop is going to go, just above it. Remember this saying, traders: if price does not break through A, it will go our Fibonacci way, meaning it will extend to the D take profit area. So that is our dollar Swiss on the 15-minute chart. Traders, let's go over to the euro dollar. Yes, traders, the euro dollar is correlated with the dollar Swiss, and it will move opposite of the dollar Swiss most of the time. In Forex, you know, traders, nothing is all the time. All right, so this is the daily chart, and we can see that it's in an uptrend, and it is bullish. And traders, in case you didn't see the last slide, let me show it to you again, because apparently I put 2 slides in and did not realize it. All right, let's go to the 1-hour chart. Here we go, traders. This is the 1-hour chart. Again, traders, we are looking for a bullish move here, so we're waiting for price to come back into a pivot level where we can take this at a Fibonacci level that is in a blue shadow. So you can see we have some pivot levels there, and we're going to look for that also. That's also good support. So we want to take this up. I'd like to see it at the 618. That would be great, and we can take this to the upside. So we're looking for a pullback to a fib level. We're going to take it long, and it is a bullish move. You can see where I have a stop placed, and that is above. It is just above the end of the fib. However, that is not why I placed the stop there, traders. I placed the stop there because if you look to the left of the chart, we've had support there, and price has reacted to that support in the past. So that is where we want to place our stop. Remember, traders, this is a bullish move. Look at the 200 exponential moving average on the green line on the chart, and it is to the upside. All right, so that is our trade plan on our 1-hour chart. Traders, let's go to the 15-minute chart, and let's see if we have a trade plan there. Yes, traders, this is the 15-minute chart on the euro dollar, and we do have a trade plan. Look at the fibs. We are, again, looking for a bullish candlestick formation, and we're looking for this to come into our 31.50 or 61 fib levels, and we can take this to the upside. It has pulled back. However, we are waiting for a bullish candlestick formation, and we can take the trade. It is at the level at this point, and I took this slide approximately 45 minutes to an hour ago, so price action has moved since then, and we have entered into the London Open. Alrighty. So you can see the correlation between the dollar Swiss and the euro dollar. Traders, there's only one other correlated pair that I look at, and that is the dollar CAD and the pound dollar. They are also correlated, and most of the time they move in opposite directions. If you find the pairs moving in the same direction, somebody is lying, and do not trade until it settles itself and figures what it wants to do. And remember, traders, we trade in the trend. It increases our probabilities of being successful in our current trade. Traders, thank you so much for being with me. Please visit me at my website at tradingwithbill.com and come join us in our complimentary live trading room. Traders, till tomorrow, have a great trading day, and we will talk to you shortly from sunny Thailand. Bye-bye, and have a great day.